Hi, this is Doc Vlad from Doc Vlad's Food Blog. Good morning to all my Doc Vladamaniacs out there, all my friends and followers on Doc Vlad's Food Blog. This is Doc Vlad, and I'm glad that you're here joining me for breakfast. Okay, I just got this delivered from Brewhol. Okay, this is delivered from Brewhol. Brewhol is a restaurant here in Tagbilaran City. The owner is Sir Clement Raymond Hordista. Clement Raymond Hordista, the owner of Brewhol. Big shout out to you. Hello. Yahoo! And also a shout out to your partner, Ma'am Ria Cabalies. And another shout out to some people, the one who told me about this particular item, Janet Oy, and her co-workers, Christian Pacomios II, Marvin Jade Ongkog, and Wildred Cabatuan. I hope I'm pronouncing this right. It's either Wildred Cabatuan or Wildred Tads. So this sandwich is the Waffle Chicken Sandwich. Waffle Chicken Sandwich, it costs 258 pesos. Delivery fee anywhere here in Tagbilaran is 35 pesos. So she told me this is low carb. Okay, Janet Oy told me this is low carb waffle chicken sandwich, and here it is. Here it is for you to see. Okay, so we have waffle here. I'm just gonna lift this up, and I'm going to show you what's inside. Okay, so there's a little chicken here, some what appears to be cabbage and carrots and tomato. Okay, and it also comes with french fries. So I'm gonna try this. Okay guys, I'm back. So here it is, plated out. Okay, it looks a bit nicer this way. So when I lift this up, you can see the chicken patty more clearly. That would be this thing here. Okay, this is a chicken patty and the vegetables. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut. Okay, I'm going to cut right here in the center. Okay, this looks pretty good. Nice. Very nice. Take a look at the meat. Alright, so as with anything, the proof is in the pudding. That means we gotta taste it. So here we go. Cheers, guys. Yahoo! Okay, so I like the texture. The waffle is not dry. It's soft. Tasty. Quite tasty. I put a little sauce on it. I think it's an aioli sauce. Or mayonnaise. Like drizzle of mayonnaise. Yes. The vegetables are good. They're fresh, crispy, juicy tomatoes. The chicken is tender. If I could make a suggestion, I think it might be better if they included some syrup. Just a little maple syrup or waffle pancake syrup. Because it's a waffle, you want a little bit of sweetness. The go with the savory nature of the dish. But all in all, this is a good sandwich. Not a bad sandwich at all. I would also like to suggest that the chicken patty, they could make it a little bigger. Be nicer to have more chicken. With more chicken in the sandwich, even if you have to charge a little bit more. At least the quality of the sandwich would be improved. But all in all, it's a good effort. I'm not sure if this is low carb because I've tried low carb. I've tried keto waffles. And keto waffles are different. I'm not sure how they made this low carb. But it is a good sandwich. I give them credit there. If you will advertise this as a waffle sandwich, it's fine. I don't think you can really call this a low carb sandwich or anything because low carb implies it's keto friendly. If it comes with fries, it's not so keto friendly. It tastes good, yeah, but not so keto friendly. But to be honest, this is a good effort. As a sandwich, on the whole, I give this 3 out of 5 stars. Okay, I give it 3 out of 5 stars. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 stars out of 5 stars. It's not bad. It tastes good, but it could be better. It could be improved upon. Even if you have to charge a little bit more, it would be okay. I'm sure people would be willing to pay a little extra for, say, more chicken and maybe a little drizzle of the pancake syrup, maybe butter, a little bit butter and pancake syrup, just to make this an actual sandwich. And it's okay if you drop the low carb label from it, because I'm pretty sure people won't care. They would just, the only thing that would matter is that it tastes good. Okay, and it does. It tastes good. It's delicious, but it could be better. It could be improved upon a little bit. So there you have it. Big shout out to Brewhol. Thank you for delivering my order to me. Take good care. Stay safe always. God bless. And I will see you on my next vlogging adventure. This is Vlad saying peace out.